Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about the concepts in full stack web development, which includes 101, 201, 301 and up to 601 course, which includes DevOps. So let us in detail go through the each module which I have learned so far. So in 101 course, which was started in the first year, includes the theory, concepts and the introduction to the web, like the internet, client and server, IP address and URL, web browsers and the World Wide Web. And we also included how to create our own websites using just HTML tags. So we have covered the topics of basics of HTML, which includes linking pages and more about HTML. So this is the concepts we have covered in our 101 course. So now let us go to the next course. So we have also solved practice challenges and we have also completed project assignment. In 201 course, we have discussed about the concepts in the JavaScript to join strings together and putting HTML and JS together, adding comments to HTML and JavaScript, and continue playing with strings like find the length of string, sorting and splitting, and about different topics like data types and boolean data types. So again we have done multiple coding like on functions, and we have also discussed about the basics of JavaScript data structures like arrays and how to iterate arrays and filter arrays and object literals, and we have created a registration form with validations in this 201 course, which includes creating form, creating validations, and learn more about forms, introduction to web storage. uh, we have deployed the registration page, and this is about the 201 course. So now let us see about the next. So 301 course. In the 301 course, we mainly focused on building web application with Node.js. So it includes the topics about the Node.js, installing Node.js in Windows as well as Ubuntu, and understanding the Node.js like npm packages, how to install npm packages, and how to callback functions. So we also built a Telegram chatbot using these Node.js. So we have already built that Node.js project in our 301 course. So we have covered the understanding about the APIs and list of sample APIs providing websites. So this is about the 301 course. Now let us see about the 401 course. In the 401 course, we mainly focused on creating a web application with Node.js as well as Express.js. So we included database in this. We used uh, databases like Firebase to create a Telegram chatbot, and to create a connect the Telegram chatbot to the database. So creating web application using Express.js also included in this concept. Again, in our capstone project, we have created a login and sign up functionality, and we pushed it into GitHub, and we finally submitted that project by creating YouTube video. So that is about the 401 course. And in the 501 course, it is about the advanced backend, which includes Node.js, working with npms, and testing and database SQLize, backend web development with Express.js, EJS templating, and add user interface for to-do application, and many more. In the final capstone project, we have done the sports scheduler, which is a form of to-do list. We have created this capstone project for the 501 course. So in the 601 course, we have covered the concepts of cloud and DevOps. So it includes introduction to DevOps, and mainly we have discussed about the AWS fundamentals like EC2 instances and VPC, and IAM users and security groups, and different creating EC2 instances step by step, and creating and managing S3 buckets. So we have gone through these all topics in this AWS fundamentals in the 601 course DevOps. So that is about our full stack course till now. So thank you for watching.